What is up, everybody? Today we're doing another podcast with the category of Project 2 exercises. This is basically just going to be a reflection. In this reflection, I'll dive into the primary purpose of each exercise and the specific skills I learned along the way. So, I want to start with the balanced asymmetry. The primary purpose of this exercise is to understand how to create a balanced composition using asymmetrical elements. By working with circles and negative space, the goal is to distribute visual weight evenly across the composition. And that's how I made what I titled dots, which was six squares, which each had a different composition of dots inside the square. And then moving forward, chapter 4 dives into the significance of the grid in design, tracing its origins to the Bauhaus movement and beyond. The grid serves as a foundational structure that underpins various design disciplines, from print to interactive design, architecture, and fashion, through the lens of pioneers like Piet Mondrian and Theo van Doesburg. The chapter explores how grid-based composition has influenced modern design practices. And I was able to use this exercise because it introduces the concept of guides and grids, the essential tools for establishing framework and composition. I used it in my piece I titled Love, by setting up guides and understanding their intersections. Designers like myself learn to assess the relationship between elements and negative space. Also, the body copy tool, I was able to use that to help me complete the dots assignment way faster, because the first time I did it, I accidentally deleted it, but I was able to do it a second time extremely quick using the copy body tool that we learned not only in class, but through this exercise. Lastly, the chapter on the fonts, I learned how to find a font from Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or Font Squirrel. I learned how to download them, and I learned how to analyze typeface properties using Ellen Lupton's Anatomy Guide. Also, in another exercise in that chapter, I learned how to create the letters V and A using Bold Sans Serif typeface, and use the Pathfinder palette to overlap the letters and create a figure ground relationship, which I also used what I learned here in what I titled Love. So basically, this exercise covers a range of essential skills, from font selection and analysis to creating compositions and saving files in various formats. It also provides a comprehensive introduction to typography and design principles in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you guys. Explore the creative world and have a good one.